Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon everyone. Hi, my name is Anisatun Shaleha and my ID number is A121311074. I am from Class H, English Education, 2021, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Tadulako University. And I made this video to fulfill one of the assignment of speaking for professional context course. And in this occasion, I will explain about work plan activities of lawyers. And please watch this video until the end. First of all is, what is a lawyer? According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, lawyer is a legal expert who is authorized as an advisor or defender of cases in court. A lawyer or legal advisor is a graduate lawyer who studies, applies, develops, or deals with the law. A lawyer can exercise various professions in the word law. Among others, lawyers, corporate lawyers, tax lawyers, bailiffs, legal advisors, legal assistants, notaries, public prosecutors, judges, etc. Definition of lawyers. A lawyer or legal advisor is a graduate scholar of law who studies, applies, develops everything that deals with the law. A lawyer can exercise various professions in the legal world, including lawyer, corporate lawyer, tax lawyer, bailiff, legal advisor, legal assistant, notary, public prosecutor, judge, and etc. Meanwhile, based on Article 1 Item 30, thirdly, of Law Number 8 of 1981 of the Criminal Procedure Law, a lawyer is a person who is qualified as determined by or under the law to provide legal assistance. Based on Law Number 18 of 2003 in Chapter 1, Article 1, Paragraph 1, it is stated that an advocate is a person whose profession is to provide legal services, both inside and outside the court that meets the requirements based on information of this law. And the third, requirements to become a lawyer. To be appointed as a lawyer, the requirements that must be met are as follows. Number one is an Indonesian citizen. Number two, willing to be placed in Jakarta. Number three, not a civil servant or member of the Indonesian National Army or the Indonesian National Police. Number four, be at least 25 years old. Number five, bachelor's degree in law from the Faculty of Law of a state university or a recognized Indonesian private university or an equivalent or accredited foreign law degree. Number 6. Passing exams held by advocate organizations. Number 7. Internship for at least 2 years continuously at the advocate's office. And the last, or number 8, never convicted of committing a crime punishable by imprisonment of 4 years or more. And then, what do lawyers do? The lawyer represents the legal interests of the client and tries to resolve the dispute as effectively as possible. They also have an advisory role and keep in touch with associates. During the procedure, they prepare procedural documents, file a case with the court, and correspond with the judicial authorities. Further, the following general duties can be defined for which the lawyer is responsible. The first, analyze and outline legal issues, and then explain the rules of law, systematic legal structuring or analyzing and identifying systematic problem, and interpret and or enforce current laws and regulations or devise new rules for situations where no laws and regulations have yet been created. And then defining, creating, and using legal concepts, elaboration and use of words, judgments, classification, and theories. And then derive principles in judicial law, and then to decide or resolve disputes between opposing parties, providing information about the legal system or other legal issues through the media and or public speeches. Analyze, study, and describe facts, and argue or oppose resolutions, interpretations, evidence, admissible, and etc. Reflect legal values, facts, and evidence, forward rulings or opinions, advise lawyers and judges, and etc. And predict what the jury can do, and authenticating or criticizing the political system, and then learn, transfer, and spread the knowledge. Next, four qualities a great lawyer needs to have. A great lawyer is not only judged by how smart he is to master the theory and applicable law, but needs to have the following four qualities. The first one is have a good communication skill. In resolving cases in court, a lawyer must have good persuasive abilities. The goal is that you can convince the court of the client's position. And secondly, able to communicate in English is a must. The second quality that a lawyer needs to have is negotiation skills. This bargaining skill is useful to reach a good agreement between the parties concerned. And the third, can control emotion. Not all trials are always smooth sailing. There are times when a lawyer is faced with arguments or threats that often affect their emotions. Therefore, great lawyers are those who have the ability to control emotions well. And then, have a patient attitude. Finally, a lawyer also needs to practice patience because some cases usually take up to months before they are finally completed. Next, where do lawyers work? Since lawyers can exercise many professions, their work environment is very diverse. Many lawyers work in courts and law offices and notaries, but also many companies and government agencies, such as tax authorities, employ lawyers. There are also legal advisors who have independent offices. Colleges who deal with lawyers are, and for example, legal assistants, civil law notaries, lawyers and public prosecutors, and etc. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see you.